Today we will learn how to create a slide animation. First, I brighten some text inside a rectangle shape. Then I'll select the layer and go to the effect control panels. From there, I'll adjust the position and move the text off screen to the left. Now I'll turn on the position keyframe, then holding the shift and pressing the right arrow key. I'll move 10 frames forward at this point. I'll create another keyframes and bring the text to the center of the screen. Now if I play it, you will see the text slide in. Next, I'll increase the curve option and select both keyframes. Applying ease in and ease out. Now if I play it again, you will notice the animation has become smoother. If I bring the two keyframes closer together, the text will enter slowly at the first, then speed up quickly as it finishes. If I move the text to the right side, it will enter quickly from the right and slow down toward the end. To learn more interesting effects like this, make sure click out our previous videos.